Hello there, Hans Schoff here with GoTinyBeFree, and I am here enjoying the view of the Puppy Palace here at the Cottage of Pine Lake, one of our newest tiny homes here that is just got decorated with a new deck and new furniture out here and just right here on the lake. What more do you want? So I want to take you on a quick tour of this neat little tiny home. It is a ITH RJO model, 8x24, with this 8 foot wide by 24 foot deck that I'm currently sitting on. Half of it is screened behind you, and this other part right here is just wide open, and got the little trees right here and the lake. All right, let me show you around. So we're here at the Puppy Palace at the Cottage at Pine Lake. This tiny house was created and designed to be an Airbnb up here at the front of the property in the more public section, where the few tiny homes that we have up here can be rented out on Airbnb or directly for short-term stay. So I'm going to take you on a tour of this 8x24 RJO. So let's go ahead and walk inside. You can see the theme already is puppies and dogs, and this was going to be a dog-friendly Airbnb. Got a nice screened-in porch right here with some lights coming down, so at night it really lights up and it's real nice. But look at this awesome view you've got right here, right off the back deck. You just walk right out. You got that rocking love seat right there. Just awesome, beautiful. But let's go ahead and take you on a tour of the inside. So first thing you see when you walk in here is this kitchen. There's some upgrades in this house, like this farm style sink, and she also has changed out the light fixture there over the sink and added some shelves here. And this is an all metal home, so she'd actually wallpapered the entire home, but actually it is metal panels, about 3-inch wide metal panel with closed cell spray foam insulation in between the two metal parts. And so she's further decorated it. You really can't even see any of the metal. It looks really nice, and that of course wallpaper sticks really well with the adhesive to these metal walls. But here you can see she's added some more shelves here as well and made this a very usable kitchen countertop here. She's got a little oven there that pulls out that you can bake on as well. That little cart with some additional storage options, some things for the dogs. She's got some cooktops that go out here as well that just hide underneath the sink. You just pop them up there, plug them into the outlet right there, and in the meantime it's not taking up a lot of space, so you've got that nice open countertop space. And she's got these really cool matching fridge and microwave as well. Got the fire extinguisher right there, some cookbooks, food up there on top as well. And then some additional different wallpaper here in the bathroom. Pretty neat, pretty fun. So if you love dogs, you're probably in heaven here. A little rack for towels. And of course you got a full-size shower. I believe it's a 36-inch shower. Right, back up here, and then we'll swivel around here and show you the rest of the tiny house. So there you can see all the way down to the lake. There we go. Look at this. This is my favorite part right here. Right there. All right, here are the stairs to the loft, and these bottom two steps actually, right here, they actually just slide right in, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. And then she's got this cool little desk right here, actually. Good little spot for it behind the stairs. So she's got a nice big countertop here, and they got stools underneath there as well, some additional storage. And then she's got this day bed, which is actually a trundle bed. So it's actually got another bed underneath there. They're two full size, so it actually you can fit 2 people down here comfortably on 2 separate levels as well. So really this place could easily sleep 4. There's a loft up here behind me, which I'll show you here in a second as well. So this tiny house can sleep 4 very comfortably. And then you've also got this little stoop over here overlooking the lake, the bay window. And she's got these awesome cushions that fit perfectly on this little bay window perch. And look at that, looking out there, sitting there watching the wildlife and watching the sun go down, and got the water fountain and different residents there in the background of their tiny houses. And then of course we have that deck that we're building right there, that little concrete structure too. So there'll be a nice little pier right there. So, but what a nice spot just to kind of grab a cup of coffee, sit down, read the paper, scroll through your feeds, and read a nice book. Now let's talk about the decor here. She's got these, all these window curtains are actually magnetic. Because the walls are metal, you can get a lot of these magnetic type attachments that will hang curtains or shelves or all sorts of different things. There are other curtains right there. It's all magnets. No screws required for all this. And these light fixtures, I think, could also be magnetic. I'm not sure. I've seen those have magnets as well, and they're just battery operated, so no wires even required for those. And then check out this feature wall. How cool is this? I mean, this is just really neat how she's decorated this with just some great style. How cool. A real knack for design here. Really like the way that looks, the contrast between those pictures and the wall behind it. Just feels very cozy, very warm, as I'm sure you'll agree. She's got her fireplace, little ambiance right here with a TV and plant, of course, and just really neat to see how she's decorated this place. And just really neat to come experience this. Then we're going to move around here and keep this tour going. And she's got a little wardrobe right here, but beyond it, you can see there's a better angle for the stairs, take you up to the loft. And it's a 10-foot long loft, I believe. So it's got a queen bed up there. Actually, I think it's longer now. I think it's actually closer to 12 foot. And she's got some storage there, kind of a little separator between the loft space and the space down here below. So again, more decorations and some more little neat things that she's got up there. So we're going to quickly walk up the stairs here and show you that. She's got this foam down here on the floor too, because it's just a metal floor, which helps insulate it as well. And get out of bed, first thing you feel is that foam on your feet. So that's also really nice. And she's actually raised this bed off the floor too, which helps with any kind of moisture or whatever. So rather than having that mattress sitting on the floor, she's got just a tiny little frame right there that helps to keep the mattress off the floor, and she enjoys it. It's a little easier to get in and out of bed that way too. And of course, it is a short ceiling. It is a loft, but there again, all you're doing is sleeping. So it's not like you need a lot of headroom up here anyways when you're sleeping, just kind of wasted space. So a great way to utilize that loft space is just to use a bed. And of course, you got the nightstand with a fan to kind of blow the air around as well. Light switch right there on the left-hand side, and windows on both sides. And then of course, coming down the stairs, there's what you're looking at. How cool is that? Such a nice, inviting space.
Hi, I'm Nellie, an Australian Shepherd. I just want to share some thoughts from my human who designed this terrific tiny home. What intrigued me about this property was it reminded me of camping, and I love camping. The big pine trees and the lake, it was like camping in the forest. Sitting on the deck, drinking my beer, looking at the lake and wildlife is so relaxing. Then sleeping in the loft, looking out the window at the tall pine trees, I felt like I was in a treehouse, my little piece of heaven.
And that's going to do it for our tour here of the Puppy Palace here at the Cottage at Pine Lake. If you like this video, please let us know down below. Give us a comment down below. What was your favorite part? What kind of inspiration has this given you for decorating perhaps your future tiny house? I want to thank the resident for letting us come in here and take a look at her home and show it off to the world here on the internet. I think it's a really cool space that she's decorated. Again, so unique and so different. She's got the wood trim package here on this RJO. You see the wood everywhere. And of course, came with the loft and the stairs. She upgraded to that farmhouse sink. It's got the mini split. It's just it's got everything you need here in this tiny house. So it's pretty neat. Anyway, Hans Schoff, GoTinyBeFree. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey, Nellie. Sweet girl.